Touchscreen technology, QWERTY keyboards and USB ports. Nokia is selling hard, rallying investors to spend money, showcasing its new family of smartphones. Amid turmoil at the top, with both Nokia's CEO and the head of its mobile business stepping down, this is the man who has stepped in to brave the crowds at Nokia World.
Change is part of every company, also us. Some of these changes accelerate the change, but in the end, it's about consumers changing their taste. It's about us responding to that one. Another day in business.
Nokia admits it's lost market share. One research firm estimates 14% in the last year, but the company claims it still has 40% of the global smartphone market. High-end products, though, is just one area.
If you look at the overall market, there are some very exciting things also going on, kind of behind the radar or below the radar in places like Indonesia and India. And so we, of course, with 40% market share, do not have the luxury of focusing on one segment only. And so we have been doing a lot of work in making sure that we are very competitive when it comes also to the low end and to attract new consumers into the smartphone segments. Granted, we have our work cut out in the high end, and we will solve that.
The latest Symbian software has enabled more than 250 new features, including large touchscreens on all new models.
People forget that Nokia is still a powerhouse in the mobile phone industry. If we talk about kind of the volumes that they do, it's a lean, mean phone-making machine knocking out about 500 million phones a year. So they've got market share, but where they're struggling is mind share and margin share, and that's in this smartphone space. So like other mobile phone manufacturers, all the established players, they were wrong-footed by Apple and more recently by Google, and this is where Nokia needs to respond.
And there seems to be interest, at least.
I think Nokia is coming back in a big way. Very exciting products. I'm particularly very impressed with the NA product.
Nokia is showing a brave face as it takes on a growing challenge from the likes of BlackBerry, Google and Apple.
Well, today, 14th of September, mark that date in your calendar, is the beginning of the fight back in our smartphone market.
Aisha Dergahi, CNN, at the Excel Centre in London.